Happy morning, children. Now we will solve practice set 7.5, question number 10. The mean of 5 observations is 50. Mean is 50. Number of observations 5. One of the observations was removed from the data. Now, one of the observations was removed from the data. Number of observations 5. One observation was removed. So, how many observations will remain? 4. Now number of observation has changed, so the mean will also change. The mean became 45. So now you have to find which observation was removed. One observation was removed, so which one was that we need to find out. So we will first write what is given to us. So here I have written here mean is equal to 50, that is given to you, and number of observation is 5. So this formula, mean is equal to x bar is equal to summation fi xi is what? Sum of all the observations divided by number of observations, which is equal to, now do we know this summation fi and sum of observations? We don't know. We will keep it as it is. Upon n is, n we know is 5. And what is mean? Mean is 50. Cross multiply. So you will get 250 into 5 is 250. Now you can very well do that here, is equal to summation fi xi. So this we got. Now what has happened? One observation was removed. One observation was removed. So what will happen? Number of observations will change. Okay, so what it will be? Therefore, n will be equal to 4, right? And then what happens to the mean? Mean becomes 45. So again we will apply the formula. Mean is equal to summation fi xi upon capital N, which is equal to, now mean for this is 45. So I will write here 45 is equal to summation fi xi upon n is 4. Now 45 into 4 is 180. 180 is equal to summation fi xi. Cross multiplied. I have not written one step. You write 45 into 4. So summation fi xi is 180. Now you can understand that one observation is reduced. So here the observation, sum of the observations has become 180. And when it was 5, sum of the observation was 250. So which observation was removed? How we will find out? 250 earlier, one was removed, then sum we got 180. So which observation? So it is automatically the sum also reduces because one score was reduced, right? Number of observation became 4. So which score was reduced? That we will find out by subtracting 180 from 250. Now this is common sense that here the sum is 250 because there were 5 observations. Here the sum is 180 because there are 4 observations. So here it is more, here it is less. Difference of one observation is there. So what is that observation? From 250 we will subtract 180, then we will get that observation. So we will write the observation which was removed is equal to 250 minus 180, that is 70. This was reduced. So we got 180. Earlier it was more, some of the observation, then it reduced. So this 70 was reduced. That was removed. Okay. Easy and interesting example.